Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest news happening in the crypto space. For today's top stories, Judge Zia Faruqui makes no ruling on SEC's discovery requests or Binance, US's opposition. Bitcoin gives up its $27,000 position in sharp tumble as crypto liquidations reach $100 million. Market observers and analysts claim FTX's crypto liquidation unlikely to cause market shock. XRP price at risk as New York Department of Financial Services removes token from its approved tokens list. Hong Kong authorities arrest crypto influencer associated with crypto exchange JPEX. For our first-time viewers, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the latest news stories that affect the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos to help crypto traders and investors keep a close look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Don't miss out on the latest news stories and market reports by hitting that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. If you know someone who you think may benefit from our videos, tap the share button. Lastly, we'd like to know what you think. So, leave a comment below. Now, let's move on and discuss today's headlines. To kick things off, we have Judge Zia Faruqui declining to order Binance, US to make its executives more available for depositions. Judge Faruqui declined to order the US SEC to back down in its demands for more documents. Magistrate Judge Faruqui urged the SEC and Binance, US to work on the various discovery requests together. He asked that the SEC narrow its request for information and allow the agency to depose certain shareholders to establish whether Binance, US's funds are safe. Binance, US, a crypto exchange and an entity of the global Binance, was asked by Judge Faruqui to share more information regarding its relationship with Cefu, which is Binance, US's service provider. Judge Faruqui stated that he wasn't going to order both parties from the bench to produce or not produce things. He added that they should continue to try to work this out and that he just wanted to keep things moving. The SEC claims that Cefu is far more closely related to Binance Holdings Limited than is permitted by a mutually agreed-upon order requiring Binance, US and its parent company, BAM Trading, to keep all US customer funds in wallets accessible only by US personnel. WilmerHale attorney Matthew Martins is representing Binance, US and claimed that the regulator's requests for documents were so broad that it would be impossible to produce them. He added that chasing down exactly how a particular piece of software works is neither here nor there. Judge Faruqui said that Binance needs to provide more information about its current custody situation. He added that they need more than what they've got at the time and that he wasn't 100% confident that BAM Trading has total control of their assets. SEC attorney Jennifer Ferrer stated that part of the issue is that they need information regarding Binance, US's new wallet arrangement. Martins later argued that it was foolishness and not serious litigation. In June, the SEC sued Binance and its founder, Changpeng Zhao, for running an unlicensed exchange. Since then, the SEC has been working to ensure that assets from US customers stay in the US. Up next, we have Bitcoin giving up its $27,000 position in a sharp tumble as crypto liquidations reach $100 million. The price earlier on Monday showed BTC rising above the $27,400 level. It is the highest level the token has reached since late August. However, the price rise proved to be short-lived, as the token tumbled about 2% in minutes during early afternoon US trading hours. Bitcoin eventually dropped and settled at the $26,700 level. BTC was still up by 0.8% over the past 24 hours. Crypto liquidations have already reached $100 million, and analysts agree that this caused the Bitcoin to sharply fall after it breached the $27,400 level. Notable outperformers were SOL, LTC, and BCH. These tokens were up by 3 to 4% even after pairing some of their early gains. Link also soared nearly 8% after announcing partnerships with traditional financial institutions. The volatility in prices has caught some crypto derivatives traders off guard, which caused the $100 million in crypto liquidations. Short traders who attempted to profit from lower prices have already endured $60 million in losses. Long traders who bet on high prices also suffered $40 million in losses. Moving on, market observers and analysts claim that FTX's crypto liquidation is unlikely to cause a market shock. Most analysts believe that because liquidations are subject to volume limits, the FTX token sales won't oversaturate the market. The sale of tokens held by bankrupt crypto exchange FTX will not result in a market shock due to several mitigating factors. Reports say that the liquidations are limited to $50 million per week in the first phase, which will be increased to $100 million in the following weeks. According to reports, committees representing FTX debtors need to approve a permanent increase in token sales to a maximum of $200 million per week. A recent court filing says that FTX holds about $1.16 billion in SOL tokens, $560 million in BTC tokens, $192 million in ETH tokens, and a further $1.49 billion in other tokens. FTX can now sell and invest these holdings so it can pay back its creditors. Additionally, there are strict controls in place for selling certain insider-affiliated tokens. The sale requires 10 days advance notice to these same committees. Also, a large part of FTX's SOL holdings are locked until 2025 as part of the token's vesting schedule. The same rule applies to the other tokens that FTX needs to sell. Lastly, FTX will be able to hedge its sales of BTC, ETH, and other tokens through an investment advisor once it has received approval from the committee. In other news, the XRP is at risk as the New York Department of Financial Services removed the token from its approved token list. For quite some time, a number of external factors have affected the price of XRP. Recently, XRP's price shot up when a judge ruled in favor of Ripple Labs in a case against the SEC. However, the surge proved to be short-lived, as several other factors have greatly affected XRP's price. Now, analysts are concerned that XRP may yet again experience a drastic price drop after the New York Department of Financial Services, or NYDFS, updated its virtual currency oversight regime and only approved 8 crypto assets, with XRP not being one of them. The NYDFS took XRP, along with 24 other tokens, off their approved token list. With XRP no longer having the green list status from the NYDFS, there's a chance that this may affect overall investor and trader confidence in the token. However, the second biggest stablecoin in the world, USD Coin, also wasn't included in the green list. Notably, USD Coin wasn't part of the original list either, which raised questions as to why this decision has been stood upon so firmly. A lack of approval from the NYDFS suggests that the token has not been cleared to be listed on crypto exchanges and could draw scrutiny from the agency. This has been an issue with XRP in the past, when the SEC first filed its lawsuit against Ripple Labs. In response, many exchanges delisted XRP from their platforms. When Ripple Labs won a partial victory against the SEC in July, crypto exchanges listed XRP back on their platforms. Now that the NYDFS has removed the green list status from XRP, some analysts are anticipating that some exchanges will once again delist XRP from their platforms. A delisting could end up with XRP taking a hit in the market. This could be harmful to investors. Currently trading just above the 50 cents level, XRP is inching closer to breaching the barrier, which could turn the $0.505 into a support floor. However, in the event that the breach fails or external factors impact the price of XRP, the token's price could decline to test support at $0.480. Falling through this support level would eventually result in further losses and invalidate the bullish thesis. Moving on, we have the Hong Kong authorities apprehending a known crypto influencer for his association with JPEX. JPEX is a crypto exchange based in Hong Kong. Recently, authorities charged JPEX with fraud and have already closed down the crypto exchange. Arrests were made, and one of the most notable arrests that the Hong Kong authorities made related to JPEX was a crypto influencer named Joseph Lam. Lam goes by the username Jolamchok on Instagram and was associated with JPEX. Lam is a Hong Kong-based crypto influencer whose involvement with JPEX was traced after Hong Kong authorities started their investigation. According to reports, Hong Kong police arrested Lam and raided his office. The police have seized boxes of evidence, including a plastic bag containing banknotes. The Securities and Futures Commission of Hong Kong recently issued a statement blaming JPEX for actively promoting the platform's services and products through online celebrities and influencers, such as Lam. JPEX was also alleged to promote their products and services to the Hong Kong public through over-the-counter money changes. In an unconfirmed report, Lam was also alleged to have presented schemes to a chat group created for crypto investment. According to one of the alleged victims, Lam convinced her to invest 100,000 Hong Kong dollars in crypto. Lam has yet to make a public statement regarding his arrest, but reports are saying that Lam claimed in the group that people kept looking for him to pay money. On September 17, Lam also shared a news article claiming that he was not hit in the JPEX incident. JPEX blamed Hong Kong regulators and third-party market makers for the liquidity crisis that has seen the platform hike withdrawal fees and suspend certain operations. JPEX promised to recover liquidity from third-party market makers as soon as possible and adjust the withdrawal fees back to normal levels. These are the latest crypto news stories we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed our video. Before you go, don't forget to check out our latest market report videos. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. See you next time and take care.